Hi folks, Charlie Boy Wild Explorer. Gonna show you Malibu, the city of Malibu, an extension of Los Angeles in the USA. I visited there recently on my tour of French Polynesia and the United States of America. It's a beautiful city, though affected by fires, wildfires, or bushfires. Seriously affected. Actually, a lot of homes were damaged along the coastline. So we did a drive on the coastline and we were shocked to see the devastation of the fire. Some homes were spared, a few homes, I would guess due to the materials used for construction. But yeah, the city generally is seriously affected by fire. Very hilly, most parts are very hilly. It was a beautiful university. We did a tour of the city, a beautiful, though nice kind of city, but very good shopping areas, amazing outlets, good eateries. It looks like almost a tourist town, and it's actually very, very, very nice. So yeah, welcome to Malibu. Let's go on to the video. Ciao. This is Malibu, and we are seeing the fire devastation of most of the entire area. Was affected by a fire, I think last year or late last year. This year, a lot of celebrities' homes were demolished or destroyed. It looks devastating, but most are under reconstruction. So now the speed limit is 25 miles per hour here. And I think it's because there is a lot of construction sites going on. This is one of the supposedly good areas, but now in ruins. So yeah, that's the devastation of fire. And sometimes construction is supposed to take care of fire, but some fires you cannot manage. These were brought in by winds. So yeah, winds from the sea or from the land. Land-based winds, almost like typhoons. So yeah, we are just driving slowly along the coastline of Malibu. We've just left Santa Monica. Now we're just going around Los Angeles. We'll keep you updated. Ciao.
The water ni huko juu zidisha maji. So the only best thing ndege zinafanya ni kuja kuchota maji ya ocean na kwenda kuzima. Maji ya ocean na kuzima. So those are helicopters.
Yes.
Drive through Malibu.
No.
So it lasted for days.
Oh, it was almost two months.
Imagine 2 months of fire.
Almost 2 months.
The fire devastation here was for almost 2 months. That's unimaginable. Lots of people lost their homes and their livelihoods and their savings. It's unbelievable. But humans are resilient, so they bounce back and reconstruct their lives. I hope the insurance has did their job. Drive through Malibu, Los Angeles, California, USA. Beautiful home there. Managed to survive.
Yeah, iko hapa juu. Nafikiri ni ile.
Drive through Malibu.
Hapa inaonyesha kulikuwa na upepo imebadilisha direction, so survive.
Along the coastline, Pacific Ocean. Reconstruction ongoing. The cliffs look dangerous with the possibility of rock falls. We are passing Malibu Plaza. Some hospital, I think, here.
There's a jetty here.
Oh, we are along the coastline here.
There's a big side.
Yeah. Malibu Sport Fishing Pier. Alright. Just a small traffic stop because of the lights. Some mountainside museum.
I think so. Kuna Pepperdine University shells. Let's go to the university and then you come back.
We are at a little stop here.
City kenyewe.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is the Malibu City.
The seaside, yeah?
You can see the county office or county.
And it's below the hills.
Yeah, it's just surrounded by rugged hills, looking like you can't even construct on top of the hills. Access will be an issue. But some people build right on top of the
And
hills.
these hills, are they...
And right next to the
Oh,
ocean,
yeah,
which is
The hills.
They belong to your
normally
So you buy a place.
back home the NEMA, National Environment Management Authority, would not allow you to build very close to the ocean. But here they build right on top of the ocean, and there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
We have great cars ahead here.
There's a lot of money.
There's a Lambo ahead of us. The Lamborghini. Pepperdine University, Malibu. Some interesting cross tower here. I don't know whether there's a church or a shrine.
The visitors center, 6 miles.
Just driving around Malibu.
The wrong route.
Oh, you wish to turn.
But the wrong route.
We are at Pepperdine University. The hills here look amazing with the rock outcrops.
It's a private university.
Oh, it's private university. Yeah, but the grounds are nice, man. So neat.
Sasa hii ni nyumba, hii barabara inaenda kwa manyumba. University, kuna ile inaenda kwa university. I think this goes to the university, but there's another way
Yeah.
to the university. So I took I turned prematurely. I turned prematurely, so I have to go through this
Yeah.
and make a U-turn and then come back.
They'll allow you to turn.
Yeah. Kulikuwa.
Hey.
Hapo na watu wanatembea na mabunduki kwa hiyo magari yao yote.
Uko serious?
Oh yes. Huku
Pepperdine University grounds. Private university.
The roadside bridge huko ni real. Somebody anaweza kufua.
hey.
Very beautiful grounds here for the university. We are taking the Pacific Coast Highway. And just driving around Pepperdine University and enjoying the hills surrounding. Beautiful grounds. You should have turned here. So you turn at John Tyler to Pepperdine University.
Missed the way.
Yeah, beautiful place here. Beautiful place here.
Sasa huku moto haikushika huku.
Yeah, the fire did not affect this area apparently.
Lakini sasa wamefunga
So
huku.
there is no
Hapo sasa
devastation.
ni school
Perfect,
holidays.
perfect.
Unaelewa?
Lovely.
So people are not in college. So we just turn from
Yeah, you can just turn around.
people are not in college. So that's why the barrier is
enforced. All right.
Ndio maana hawakubali wale.
The city of Malibu.
Ukifanya shopping huku tukakaa kuna tuviti. They are sitting areas huku.
Yeah.
Outside.
Doing a drive through the city of Malibu. Just checking it out. Los Angeles, California. Beautiful city with the one-story kind of buildings. Nothing tall. The sun is nice here today. We are at the Malibu Country Mart. Lots of trees lining the streets. Beautiful maples. Lovely stuff here. We're gonna have our lunch here today. Good stuff. There is a lot. Parking here is per hour or in hours. Right. Looking for parking now. The city of Malibu, Los Angeles, near the beach side. We've just seen the devastated areas. There was fire here. We're doing a drive-through. Lots of people here today because it's a Sunday and people are just having a family walk, family day out. Nice boulevard here, lined by trees, looking green. Remember, California is a semi-desert country. Good. Malibu County City.
Kama tujaribu kupanda kwanza.
I was thinking of coming this way. Ndio nione. Mama unaendaje wewe? Niingie hivi.
Looking for parking. Malibu Taylor. Is that a spot?
No, that's not a spot.
This one is coming out. This one is coming out now.
No, we are ni kama mimi sasa. Ni kama mimi.
Is there a spot there?
Crazy.
Between the grey car and the white car?
Ukiona mahali pako kama hapo ni njia. Ni njia mtu anaingilia hapo.
Hey, Malibu is popular.
Niende hivi.
Yeah, this one is also waiting for a spot.
Natafuta spot. Yeah, he's looking for a spot.
All parking areas are taken. Malibu Country Mart there.
And car wash. Yeah, hapa kuna car wash.
Old style Ford.
Okay.
Wow. Old style.
Car wash. No parking fire lane. Okay.
Malibu car wash. Just checking around. Just checking around. We need a parking spot in order to get our lunch. Malibu. Good stuff.
Kitu ingine baba.
Malibu. Amazing Malibu.
Wazee wanapenda.
Looking nice here. A little town. Beautiful stuff.
Kuna jam hapa leo.
Leo ni Sunday.
Today is family day, Sunday. Lots of jam here. Parking spaces all taken. Can see a tree with a lot of birds. This is an expedition. Ford expedition there. Some trees there with lots of birds up there. Let me see. Yeah, I can catch them.
See how they need on a set with this place. Look at this. This is nice. See, Muzuri, let me just check with artificial grass. Just see. Any hakuna tinini.
Malibu is a beautiful small place here. Magnolia Park. All parking slots taken. We are trying to figure out where to park and have our lunch. The fire did not damage this city.
Shida huwa ni how you run away from here.
Sorry.
Especially the mountains. Unajua ni meandering. The windy roads. When they are windy,
then you get to.
How do you get out of that windy road in the high speed of wind?
You actually go where the fire is.
Yes.
Malibu City. Beautiful to say the least. Yeah. The selection of cars here is amazing as well.
This can be great. Fine, yeah.
We have
You can go to the mountain.
sports vehicles. We have the typical
People
BMW.
on the mountain running away
The
from fire.
Mercedes wagon.
It can be crazy.
The Rolls Royce.
Northern California. The fire that was there some time back.
We have Mama Need Cafe here.
4 years, 5 years ago.
Ilipata watu.
We have some
Wanajaribu
beautiful
kukimbia lakini moto
hills
inawasurround.
across there.
Ukienda hivi moto inawasurround.
Beautiful hills there.
Sababu ya windy roads.
Loving it. It's good.
Ukiingia pale na ningi. Nimemiss you.
Mr. Slot there. Right. We keep looking. Malibu. City of Malibu. Los Angeles, California, near the beach.
Okay.
We're just walking around at the car park area. Which way do we go? This way? Malibu Nomad.
But
There. Walking around Malibu. And seeing the stuff here. Beautiful place out here. City of Malibu. I and my friends. So I'm walking around. See ya. Right. Yeah. This is nice. Lovely out here. Okay, see ya later.
like this ocean. Iko blue, blue, blue.
Yeah, man. The Pacific Ocean.
But baridi.
Malibu Drive.
Maji baridi.
Roadside developments along the ocean line.
Sikia baridi sana useme nani mzee?
Mimi
Maeka ngapi?
napenda hiyo.
Unapenda hiyo? So
2 bars is okay.
ya huku yako ya mbele naweza punguza.
2 bars is okay.
Nataka niweke 2 bars, nitaacha 2 bars.
Sawa kabisa.
Ndio kile rafu nilikwanga nako Toyota safu ndio ilitoka Forana.
Forana
Hapa ni Toyota safu. Kote kulichomeka nyasi imea inamea. Vijiti hii yote unaona ni moto imechoma. This place is
the coastline.